So I'm making this today because we're gonna be organizing all my slime stuff. So I have these containers of slime in it. This container has slime in it. This is slime that it goes to that container. This container has slime in it. That container has slime in it. There's containers back there that have slime in it. There's a gallon of glue right here.
Oh yeah, well girl, show you right. You know what I'm saying, babe?
And there's two glues. Daddy, you think you're looking fly?
Layla, Daddy's the flyest guy in the sky.
No, he is not.
But believe it.
And I have this clear glue, which is almost gone. If you guys can see, it's like right there. The line looks up right there. Then I have this clear glue. It's like the same amount. Except this one's more, so I'm going to use this one.
You put bleach in the slime?
No, that was just sitting on the table.
Well, why don't you clean up right here?
I am. That's what I'm making the video for. And then, see, this clear bottle has more than this one. So if I use another clear, I'll go use this one so this one doesn't run out faster.
Okay.
So yeah, it is 4:32. So yeah, them are my clear bottles. Gallon, which is almost gone. Also, I'll show you guys, but I have to say something to my friend comes over, and we're going to be doing a challenge for you guys today. So stay tuned. And then this is my mom's slime. It's good. 4:32. And I got blue glitter and that's blue. And then in here I got some lotion, some 4 glitters. There's clear glitter down there, which you can see. Then there's red, purple, clear, blue, gold, some 4 colors, contact solution, water for clear slime, spoon to mix with. And this is the slime I'm going to keep, and this is the big container I'm going to be keeping all my slime. I know it's cracked, but it's okay. But this is the big container. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the container right here. And first what we're going to start off with is cleaning up the container from what the stuff's already in it. And this stuff is actually still 4 slime in it. Okay, so there's another bottle of contact solution in here that I didn't even open yet. I'm going to put this bottle that I did open in here. Maybe me and my friend will be making some slime, so stay tuned for that video also. And that's not the challenge. We have 2 challenges coming for you guys today. I'm just going to take all this stuff out. So I'll be right back. So I have everything out of the container. Then we're just closed under the container. But I have everything out, and as you can see, there's glitter everywhere. But it's okay because it's going to get everywhere again. So I might as well not clean it out. Okay, so next. Now, what I'm going to put in first, since I have everything just laid out on the table. First of all, I'm going to close this slime and the container. I was just playing with the slime, so that's why it's good. Put it in there. The slime that is in here is going in the garbage because it's absolutely hard. So, that's going in the garbage. That's going in the garbage. This is not. That's not. That's not, all that. But, and then I have these stuff over here. Okay. So I'm going to put in first my gallon of glue. Here it says Elmer's hanging off the side right there. And I'm going to put in, right beside it, these 2 clear bottles of clear glue, and then right beside that of these colors. They're all over the place. I'm just gonna try to get that in back there like that. And then next I'm gonna put in the contact solution right here. Actually, I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to do this. So I put the contact solution right there. Right there, like that. Then next I'm going to put in the lotion right here in front of the. And then I'm going to put the spoon just right there, and the lotion's right there. And then I'm going to put the water right here. And the glitters, I'm going to put just. Sorry, but I'm just going to put that right there. And then I'm just going to line the slimes up nice and neat. So I'm going to try to get an angle of this because.
Yeah.
Ouch. Okay, so I can't get an angle.
Are you there?
So I'm just going to try and keep my focus. Alright, so this one's going in the garbage, but I'm going to keep the container. So I'm just going to put it in there. I'm going to put it right there.
Are you there?
Then the next slime, we're going to put this one, top of that one.
Oh, my stupid phone.
Then I'm going to put this on top.
Dumb.
Now I'm going to put this one right there.
Nothing?
This one, mommy. That one right there. I'm going to put this one there. Like that. Okay, so I got these three over here. This one's yellow, as you can see, because the container is clear. The one on the bottom I'm throwing away, like I told you twice already. Then on the bottom, this one is like a grayish color. I named it elephant. This one's called banana. This one's called actually not banana. This one's called unicorn poop. It's darker in person, but it's just like that. That one's called unicorn poop. This one's called elephant because it's like an elephant gray color. That one down there was called unicorn poop until I changed the unicorn poop to that, and that one is purple though, with lots of glitter in it. And that one is going in the garbage, so don't even worry about that one. And the next one over here, so I have to take it out. Oh yeah, I forgot about this one. I don't know what to name this one because I literally just made it. I got these glitters in it, but it's all white and I got this glitter in it. I don't know what to name it. What should I name it? Leave comments below. What should I name this slime? All white with glitter in it. What should I name it? I don't know what to name it. But I'm about to get an angle of this butter slime. It's kind of lippy, but it's soft. It's really soft. And it's green, and this is called lime butter. Lime butter. Lime. I can't say lime right. Lime butter. Lime butter slime. That is called lime butter. I want to. And yeah, stretchy. Stretchy. Stretch. It won't stick to this wood table though. Stick to the table so it won't stick to this table.
I'm just trying to call me back.
So I'm just going to put this back in the container, and I'm going to write the names of them on top of the lids soon. But, yeah. I want to put that. And then there's just an empty container right there, and that one was called lime green, but lime green sparkle, but it's going in the garbage. So yeah. This one's called blue. This one's called glitter ocean. Ocean glitter, something like that. Glitter ocean. I don't know. Ocean blue glitter, something. I don't know. But it's close to the name. I think it's called glitter ocean. Yeah, it's called glitter ocean. And this is the one my mom made herself. And she named it. Yeah. That one is not going in the garbage. And I have this one. It is called, what's the name of this one? What's the name of this one? I forget. This one's called something, but I know it's like a really cool, probably like never heard name. That's why I forget it. Oh yeah, and guys, look at the bubbles on top. It's so cool. So I want to get this out and show you guys it, and hopefully I can think of its name while I'm playing with it. Because I can't think of its name. I'm playing with it and forgot about you guys already. Look what happens when I turn the flash on. Like, looks like the rest of the room is like extra dark. And looks like the flash is honestly. Comment down below if you guys know. I didn't put these in none of my videos. Yes, I did. I put it in my slime collection. So comment down below if you guys know what slime I caught. Oh my gosh, I didn't name the slimes in my slime collection. Oh my. Well, comment down below a new name for this slime. Comment down below a new name for this slime. Comment down below a new name for this slime. That looks pretty similar to this slime, but yeah. This one's like a fluffy one, but I didn't add no shaving cream because I don't have shaving cream. It smells like Jergens lotion. It smells really good. Sorry about my mom in the background cussing. She left now. She had to go to work. But she was in the background cussing. Ew. I'm gonna just make a fart noise. And that's what's in my slime box. But I love you! And I'll do what's in this soon. Like a what's in my slime collection box. And I just stack these. I stack these 5 up. And I stack these 2 up. And I left 1 down here. Because the only reason I said 2, because this one right here doesn't count because there's nothing in it. Because that is for me to make my slime and when my friend gets here, because she's going to make slime with me. And then the green one down there is going in the garbage, so I should say stack these 1 up. Because this one's going in the garbage also, that's 2 containers. And then this one's not going in the garbage because I like it. It's in a weird container. But that was my what's in my like slime box thing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe. In the comments, let me know what you guys thought of my video. Bye! Catch you guys next time, which is going to be today. Look at the spoon right there, just chilling, hanging out. And stay tuned for what the challenge me and my friend have for you. So we're gonna be like doing makeup tutorials. We're gonna be doing challenges. We're gonna do 2 challenges. So makeup tutorial, 2 challenges, making slime, and we're gonna post a vlog for you guys today. So that's 5 videos for you guys today up. So bye. I got glitter on my finger. It's not coming off. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, like, click that like button. And in the comments, let me know what you guys think I should name that slime in. That slime. Bye bye.